Hello everyone, welcome back to our Asar travel channel.
Today we will show you what a typical student life looks like in Oxford. We just used 5A bus to get to Oxford city centre.
We study at the Oxford International Study Center in Oxford. Our teachers, mentors and friends are very friendly and welcoming.
We have classmates from all over the world. It's amazing to meet people from so many different countries and learn about their cultures.
We also do a lot of fun activities. For example, we walk around Oxford, visit museums and ancient sites and go on river cruises. School ends at 3 o'clock, then we have some free time. We usually walk around the city, enjoy beautiful buildings and streets.
One of our favorite things to do is shopping. There are many shops, markets in Oxford. We sometimes buy souvenirs and try out English food.
After a fun and busy day, we go back to our host family's home. We are staying with Mr. and Mrs. Ali. They have 3 children.
Isa, Camila and Salahuddin. Our host family is very kind to us. We feel like part of the family. We really enjoy our time here in Oxford. The experience has been amazing and we are learning so much every day.
Both of you in together. Picture. Well done, boys. Good job. See you later.
Sardorjon. I'm from Bukhara, Uzbekistan. I have just finished my summer study at the Oxford International Study Center. During our trip, we visited Oxford and London cities. We enjoyed ancient sites, culture and hospitality of England.
Hello everyone, my name is Azamat. I'm from Bukhara, Uzbekistan. I have just finished summer program in Oxford International Study Center. My educational and travel experience in England was amazing. I want to thank to English people and Oxford International Study Center for a great opportunity. Thank you for watching us. We hope you enjoyed watching our live in Oxford.
Welcome to Oxford.